We're going to go give him his bath in just a few moments, but Ian wanted to hold him real quick, so we were doing that first.
Do you like holding him?
Do you like holding your baby? Careful, careful. You gotta remember, when your arm's underneath your baby bed, you gotta make sure there's something there to protect his head. Alright, don't touch his face. You got him? There you go. Yeah.
Yeah. It's been a week. What do you think?
Is he a keeper?
Huh?
Uh-huh.
If you were a girl, we should have had a baby girl.
We should have had a baby girl?
Mm-hmm.
Why should we have had a baby girl?
Something like you.
Oh.
So like a girl like you.
You wanted a girl like me? Because Daddy already has his boy, Mommy needs a girl? Mommy's happy with her boys, though.
Where my dad with that monkey.